Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am very sorry that I was not able to conclude in the previous lecture, and so in this lecture we are going to carry forward the same discussion that we had in our previous YouTube video, and that was about 19th century. Actually, we were discussing 19th century, and in 19th century I had this discussed with you about how in the 19th century mass literacy increased, how it went high, very high even in the Europe, and a large section of the readers emerged, and among that large section may be included the children, women, and workers. We discussed it last time in last video about the workers. So these workers who were working very hard and who started receiving education because now they got some leisure time because of the new positive development that happened in mid 19th century, that was working hours reduced, and these workers now started writing for themselves, and apart from that they started making self improvement and self expression. उन्होंने अपने आप को जो है इजहार करने की कोशिश की, उनके क्या था वो इजहार करने लगे वो सब कुछ, and in that they wrote political tracts. They wrote political tracts and biography and autobiographies. In very large numbers. So large number of autobiographies were produced by them, they were written by them, and also political tracts. What are these political tracts? Political tracts were actually these writings in which these workers they highlighted their political rights. They started talking about their political rights. इन्होंने अब जो है बात की किस पे, अपने political rights पे, जो इनके political rights हुकूक बन रहे थे, तो उन्होंने जो है उनको highlight किया. And also through their they wrote their autobiographies, and through their autobiographies they highlighted the struggle that they had in their life. उनको अपनी जिंदगी में कौन सी struggle का जो है कौन सी जद्दोजहद का सामना करना पड़ा, especially while when it comes to the receiving of education. While receiving this education, what are the various difficulties, what are the ups and downs they have seen in their life, that was all written by them in through their autobiographies. And the best example of these autobiographies is that of Thomas Wood. Thomas Wood was a mechanic, Yorkshire mechanic, and this person was Yorkshire mechanic, and this person is said to have he narrated through his stories that he would rent old books, he would rent old न्यूज़पेपर्स. इसको पुरानी न्यूज़पेपर्स जो है वो ये जो है किराए पे लेता था, रेंट पे लेता था, and after that they read them. He read them. ये उसको उनको पढ़ता था. मतलब ये कि ये थॉमस वुड जो है, जो यॉर्कशायर का मैकेनिक था, ये किराए पे न्यूज़पेपर्स, ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर्स, पुरानी अखबार लाता था और उनको फिर पढ़ता था. And he had no candle. He was so poor, he faced so much poverty that he was not able to get the candle. इसको कैंडल जो है, कैंडल तक इसके पास नहीं थी. And therefore he read all these newspapers under fire light. जो लकड़ी की लाइट होती है, रोशनी होती है, उसी रोशनी के जो है अंदर इसने इन पेपर्स को, न्यूज़पेपर्स को पढ़ा है. So this speaks the struggle he had in order to receive the education, in order to this read. इसने कितनी जद्दोजहद की ये खुद दिखा रहा है. And also there was Russian revolutionary this writer whose name was Maxim, and Maxim Gorky wrote two books. One, My Childhood, and second was My University. My University and My Childhood. इसने दो किताबें लिखी है, My Childhood and My this University. These are his autobiographies, and through these autobiographies he highlighted the struggle which he had to gone through in his life. So these were important. Now moving forward, we will discuss now the further improvements. Another subtopic we have is further innovations. कौन सी और innovations हो गई इस print technology में? What are the further improvements that had happened in this print technology? By late 18th century, metal presses were made. एटीनथ सेंचुरी जो है, लेट 18th सेंचुरी में हम देखते हैं मेटल प्रेसेस जो है यूज हो रहे थे. मेटल के प्रेसेस जो है बनाए जा रहे थे, मेटल से प्रेसेस बनाए जा रहे थे. एंड थ्रू द 19th सेंचुरी और 19th सेंचुरी के आते आते series of innovations took place in this print technology. प्रिंट टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत सारी इनोवेशंस, बहुत सारी इंप्रूवमेंट्स होने लगी 19th सेंचुरी के आते आते. एंड बाय मिड 19th सेंचुरी में क्या हुआ? There was a person who was of New York and his name was Richard M. Howe. Richard M. Howe, who was of New York, or who was from New York. The power-driven cylindrical press which already existed, power-driven cylindrical press which already existed, he made improvement in this power-driven cylindrical press and he even perfected it. इसने इसको परफेक्ट कर दिया. जो ऑलरेडी पावर ड्रिवन सिलेंड्रिकल प्रेस था उसको इसने परफेक्ट कर दिया. उसमें जो खामियां थी उसको इसने दूर कर दिया. एंड it became a very important press, this cylindrical press. This power driven, it was driven on through power. ये पावर से जो है ये पावर पे चलता था ये cylindrical press. And because of the new improvement, this press was now capable of printing. It printed 8,000 sheets per hour. एक घंटे में जो है ये इसकी रफ्तार इतनी तेज थी कि ये 8,000 पेपर्स जो है एक घंटे में उनको प्रिंट करके निकालता था, उनका प्रिंट निकालता था. एंड दिस प्रेस, दैट इज this power driven cylindrical press, this was very useful for printing newspapers. न्यूज़पेपर्स को प्रिंट करने के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद ये पेपर, ये जो सिलेंड्रिकल पावर ड्रिवन सिलेंड्रिकल प्रेस था, जिसको परफेक्ट किया इस रिचर्ड एम हो ने, ये बहुत फायदेमंद रहा न्यूज़पेपर्स को प्रिंट करने के लिए. फॉर प्रिंटिंग द न्यूज़पेपर्स इट वाज वेरी यूजफुल. एंड इन लेट 19th century में जो है द ऑफसेट प्रेस वाज डेवलप्ड. एक और प्रेस जो है, एक और फर्दर इंप्रूवमेंट जो होगी प्रेस में, that is very important so far as the history of press is concerned, was the offset press. Offset press developed in late 19th century. And because of this offset press, now because of it, 6 colors could be printed at a time. At a time print में 7 colors जो है प्रिंट किए जा सकते थे. Now 7 colors at the same time can be printed. Sorry, 6 colors, 6 colors जो है एक ही साथ आप प्रिंट किए जा सकते थे इस ऑफसेट प्रेस की वजह से. So this offset press is another important or significant, we can say this is significant improvement or development or innovation that happened in print technology. And because of this offset print, now 6 colors at a time could be printed. And from the turn of the 20th century, अब 20th century के शुरुआत में हम देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकली प्रिंट ऑपरेटेड प्रेसेस. Now with the coming of 20th century, electrically operated presses, they were also helpful and they accelerated the printing process. उन्होंने एक्सेलरेट की, उन्होंने इसकी स्पीड जो है प्रिंटिंग की बढ़ा दी. बिकॉज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिकली ऑपरेटेड प्रिंट्स, जो भी बिजली पे प्रिंट प्रेसेस चल रहे थे, उन प्रेसेस की वजह से इस प्रिंट में बहुत ज्यादा रफ्तार देखने को मिला 20th सेंचुरी के आते आते, 20th सेंचुरी के बिगिनिंग में. सो एंड besides this, some other developments also took place. Some other developments took place in the print technology. And what were they? The first was the methods of feeding papers or feeding paper. Method of feeding paper improved. जो मेथड था पेपर को फीड करने का, अब वो मेथड जो है वो इम्प्रूव होने लगा. 20th ये जो है ये एक और डेवलपमेंट होने लगी प्रिंट में. सेकंड, द क्वालिटी ऑफ पैलेट्स became better. जो पैलेट्स की क्वालिटी थी, जो पैलेट्स यूज किए जाते थे इस प्रिंटिंग में, प्रिंटिंग प्रेसेस में, इन पैलेट्स की क्वालिटी जो है वो भी इम्प्रूव होने लगी, वो भी बेटर क्वालिटी आने लगी. एंड आल्सो ऑटोमेटिक पेपर रील्स There were also automatic paper reels which were introduced. These were introduced. इसके अलावा जो है ऑटोमेटिक पेपर रील्स, ऑटोमेटिकली पेपर्स जो है वो खुद ही फिर वहाँ से प्रिंट होते थे, उनको अब ज़रूरत नहीं होती थी चेंज करने की, वो खुद ही जो है चेंज होते थे वो ऑटोमेटिक पेपर रील्स। जब पेपर्स ख़त्म होते थे मशीन में तो वो खुद ही जो है वहाँ से ये जो नई रील होती थी वो खुद ही अब ऑटोमेटिकली वो इसमें प्रिंट में चली जाती थी। एंड आल्सो फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक controls of color was introduced. एक और डेवलपमेंट जो प्रिंटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी में देखने को मिली वो क्या थी, वो यही थी कि फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक कंट्रोल्स। अब फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक कंट्रोल्स, ये जो कलर था, फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक कंट्रोल्स जो है वो कलर को कंट्रोल करने लगे। जो कलर था उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल हुआ थ्रू फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक। ये जो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन्स थी उसके थ्रू जो है कंट्रोल होने लगा ये कलर पे। ये भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया। दिस वाज न्यू डेवलपमेंट इन द प्रिंट टेक्नोलॉजी। सो we can say that because of these various improvements, mechanical improvements, now the printed texts completely were transformed. Printed texts were transformed. Printed texts जो थे वो खुद ही अब ट्रांसफॉर्म होने लगे। So these were some of the new improvements, some of the new innovations that were carried out in the print technology. Whether we talk of best quality of the palettes, whether we talk of automatic paper reels or photoelectric controls of colors or printed or other things, or methods of feeding paper improved. So because of these things, now printed texts were transformed. They became more they became very good looking paper printed texts. So this is about the topic.